I want to show you where you can find my website and a lot of materials there. So you can go to internet, for example, Google. You will write Kardivar EU. Why Kardivar? Because Kardivar was old name of this device. I am doing it 20 years, as I said, yes. So enter and you are in my websites. There are English, Czech, and German, yes, because now we are speaking and doing it in English. So we can go to product and services, diagnostic device, and here on the right side, down corner is Kardivar Varicard. Here you can find short description, full description, and download. If you press download, you see a lot of materials as certificate, manuals, methodic manuals about the heart rate variability, and PowerPoint presentation. Yes, it's here. You click on the right side and you can open these lectures, right? So now I go to Poland version and it is here. So, so what I want to say about the heart rate variability as starting to the method of the heart rate variability. Um, this method is measuring the level of the stress, the risks, the energy imbalance or disbalance on the nervous and the hormonal system. We measure short-term blocks. What do you mean the blocks? In balance, you need energy flows. Yes, communication and in balance, sympathicus and parasympathicus, consumption and saving energy. Sympathicus is consumption, parasympathicus is saving, and also is in hormonal system because this is another communication system. Catabolic hormone are consumption and anabolic hormone are saving energy. So it means we can measure these blocks. It means disbalance on the nerves and disbalance on the hormonal system. Then can be acute problem as short-term blocks, or if we cannot solve it or we don't know about this disbalance, we falling down to another and bigger disbalance and to the long-term blocks and to the cascade of civilization and chronic disease. It's a main opinion, main system of heart rate variability. As you see, we analyze the communication, and good communication is action and nature and open reaction. This is flow, right? So, and now I try to say something about this HRV and HRV is another computer, another software for as 3D microarterial EKG about Kardivar or Varicard. Yes, it's mean why we are using heart rate variability, what we are analyze, and what values, what norms are as world standard. Yes, what parameters, what charts, what we know or what we can know about the communication. What is the norm and what is the extreme? Because we don't like extreme, yes? And there can be a smaller extreme or bigger extreme. I explain you later. And it's basic information. What is the heart rate variability? Heart rate variability is a very, very long method from old Chinese. Yes, they did it by the hand as analyze the heartbeat, right? In this time, or in this time, from the last century, 60s, 50s, was Russian and Americans starting with as cosmic space research, and they need very rapidly method for analyze of health their mean. After 50s, 60s, 70s to 90s was different norms. But from the 96 in London, there was established world standard. It means in the whole world, if you will be speaking about anybody, about the chart and parameters in heart rate variability, the basic method will be same or must be same in each producer, right? So, and now, what is the healthy and what is the uh, imbalance and what is the disbalance? Yes, because disbalance is illness. This is disease. Yes, this is problem. This is block. Yeah, and I will try to explain you what is the short term, what is the long-term stress, what is this different parameters, different charts, yes, and the main information that if our communication is blocked or is blocking, we are losing our health and we go to disbalance and we go to problem, right? It's mean the goal of our regulations systems it means parasympathicus, sympathicus, anabolic, catabolic hormones. The goal is balance in time. Yeah, it's a health. So what we are analyze heartbeat. Due to the name of this method is heart rate variability. Variability is a good because homogeneity it's a bad. We need such variability. This is life, input, output, plus, minus, action, reaction. But if we goes in homogenic line without variability, we have the problem. You can look at the internet. In English, it's a heart rate variability. In German, it's Herzfrequenz Variabilität. Or in Poland, is what you can read, right? So you can find a lot of materials. I have this. Here is a sample from 2007 from Slovakia about the compare blood pressure and heart rate variability, for example, right? So next time we will be speaking about more samples from various disbalance. So we are using it in preventing, for control, the success of different methods and control our communication. Yes, it's mean uh, we can say and as I said it, when we have the smaller and smaller variability, we have the bigger level stress, bigger risk, and the blocking flows of energy in our body, in our organs, in our cells. Um, what is the main step by step? We have 5 minutes. 5 minutes is such a recommendation limit for measurement because every norms of world standard are in 5 minutes. Why 5 minutes? Because during these 5 minutes are running nervous system. It's mean calling, action, reaction, sympathicus, parasympathicus, and this is frequencies, right? Frequencies, our calling, our activity in the nervous system. And the second, there is communication on hormonal system. It's mean mailing. Yes, I write you to your email, to your as message. Do it this. It's a catabolic hormone action, consumption of energy, or I will write you, go to the bed, go to the holiday, and it will be an anabolic hormone, right? So we need to listen 5 minutes. This communication, action reaction on the nervous system and action reaction in the hormonal system. It's mean in mailing, for example. So it's mean that each device working on the method heart rate variability, then they are testing different between RR peaks. RR peaks is this top of heartbeat, yes? And during 5 minutes, we have AKG signal, and we are tested the difference in milliseconds these frequencies. And these frequencies is meaning analyzing of the nervous communication and hormonal communication.